Advance Merry Christmas. Okay, so let's face it by Tech Mahindra Global Chess League 2025. So let's face it by this one by God Chess in Grandmaster in this Russia by International Master Polina Shovalova by face it by this Treveni Continental Kings by Grandmaster in China Zhu Zhener. So how do you face it here? So it means without whites, without first blunderations, and next by Brilliant by this one captured. And also without check, so it means blunder ratios. So how do you think from this one by in this analyzed by puzzles? So let's see of this today's round number 6 here. White by Shovalova and black by Zhuzhner here. So it means without 20 minutes, so no more increments. So it means rapid or classical chess here. So before we start, so it means later, December 24, 2025. So it means game 3, online chess. So it means 9 p.m. in this via live streaming in this one by YouTube. So between Alberto Riston versus my own. So don't forget by playing by online chess here in this advanced Merry Christmas here. Okay, so let's start here. So e4 by Shovalova, e5 by Zhu, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, Yokopiano's opening, and also pawn d3. With a pawn d3 by Shovalova by preparing castling. So castling kingside here, and also knight f6 by Zhu with that upcoming by castling by Zhuzhner here, and also castle kingside by Shovalova, and also pawn d6 by Zhu with that move by pawn d6 here, with that upcoming by bishop to g4 with that threats the knights or with that pins by this one by queens here, and also c3 by Shovalova or next by b4 with that threats the bishops here, and also a5 by Zhu with that stop by no more by b4 because so these are the connecting by a5 by Zhu here, and also rook e1, castle kingside by Zhu, and also pawn h3. Without pawn h3, without here by Shovalova, without no more by pressure bishop to g4 or knight g4 here, and also pawn h6 by Zhu, without no more by pressure bishop to g5, knight g5, because these are the connecting by pawns by Zhuzhner here, and also knight bd2. So these are the virus my laptop, so cannot move by this technology here. So it means knight bd2 by this Shovalova, or next maneuvers knight f1, knight g3, or knight e3. So next by this next maneuver here, and also bishop e6 by Zhu without connecting here, without attacks the bishop to bishop. So these are the diagonals by light square fianchettos attacks, and ignorance by bishop b5 by Shovalova. So for example, so if your bishop takes captured, how do you do that if you more by these fianchettos attacks by bishop to bishop by diagonals here, and also f takes e6. So these are the ones of this computer here. So these are the goods for examples here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop b5 without ignorance here, and also bishop b6 by Zhu, and also knight f1 by Shovalova without next by this maneuvers knight g3 or knight here, knight e3. So without knight e3 by this next move here, and also knight e7 without move controls by Zhu or next maneuvers knight g6 here. So it means, so according talk about novelty, so it means so bishop p6 is a does not belong to the book lines. So because queen b8 is a database by old main lines here. So it means so bishop b6, so no more book lines. So out of this booklet by Zhuzhner here, and also knight f1, knight e7 by Zhu, and also pawn d4 without controls by this Shovalova or without attacks the pawns, and without close by semi-close by d5 here, and also a takes d4, knight takes d4. So it means without threats the bishop, and also knight g6 without knight pairs without Zhuzhner, and also knight g3 without controls here, without knight g3 by Shovalova, or next by here by next move by f4 pawns here without controls here, and also bishop d7 by Zhu here without diagonals, without bishop to bishop, and ignorance by bishop without Shovalova, and also rook e8 without move by this one by controls without rook e files without pins here, and also bishop c2 without more controls by this one, bishop pairs by this Shovalova here, and also strong move by a4. So these are the controls by a4 by Zhu. So it means so these are given bad moves, so that's not one of this computer engine. So the one's computer pawn d5. Okay, pawn d5. So once of this computer engine here. So according this one, so that's good examples here. So it means so goods for blacks here. So it means slightly advantage here. So that's goods here. That's goods. That's goods. Okay, so back there, this one is a4 without controls by strong move by Zhushner, and also pawn f4 by Shovalova. So what the plans, or next by f5 or threats the knights here, and also knight h7 by Zhu, or next by knight f8 without next counters by maneuver here, and also bishop e3. So for example, sir, why don't we move push f5 here with the push f5 with the threats the knights here, with the counters attacks the knights, and knight g f8. So these are a goods ones of this computer. So these are the slightly advantage from this one from whites and blacks. So these are the good examples by continuations here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e3 by Shovalova without defense the knights, and also rook a5 without controls by continuations by Zhushner, and also queen f3 without continuations here by Shovalova, and also knight f8, good move, so without continuations here. So these are the without connecting the knights here, and also queen f2 by Shovalova, proc active king h8 by Zhu, and also rook ad1 without more by these controls by these rook pairs here, and also f6, another bad move by Zhu. So the best move by strong move is queen h4 is a right move here. So this is a once of this computer engine here. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is f6 without move by Zhushner here, and also proc active king h2, and also queen e7 without queen behind the rooks. So these are the without continuations here, and also bishop d3 without more by bishop pairs here, and also queen f7, and also pawn b4 without controls without move by this one, without pawn b4 without threats the rooks here. So next by counters move, and also rook backwards a8. So for example, sir, why don't we emphasize captured? So these are the threats the pawns here, without threatening the pawns, and also knight captured. So knight takes b3 here without threats the rooks, without opening by this dark square without bishop to bishop here, and also rook backwards a8 here. So these are the good slightly examples here. So these are the ones of this computer engine here. Okay, so back there, this one rook a8 with a backwards by Zhushner here, and also a3 because these are the pawn a3 by Shovalova by stop by push by a3 with a blocks. So these are the same semi-close here, and also knight e7 by Zhu with the next maneuver is knight to c6. So these are the next counters move here, and also bishop b1 by Shovalova, or what the plans by Shovalova without idea, without bishop to a2, without threats the queens here. So it means, so for me, so the one's computer is knight to c2. Okay, knight c2 here. So these are the ones of this computer engine. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there, this one, bishop b1 by Shovalova, and also bishop captured knight takes, and also pawn f5. So good precise by Zhushner. So it without attacks the pawns here, without threatening the, without e4, without counters attacks here, and also pushes by e5 will stop by connecting by this one by counters attacks the pawns, or another threats the pawns without d6 here, without pawns by blocks here. And also bishop e6 by Zhu, or maybe without idea, without plans by Zhu, without bishop to b3 threats the rook, so it means next counters attacks here. And also rook c1, why? Because Shovalova without move by rook c1, without no more by this one by bishop b3. So these are the counters here without move by rook c1 with Shovalova here. And also rook ac8 without more by this one by rook c5 without pains here. And also bishop d2 without defense here. And also bishop d5 without Zhu here. And also rook e3. So these are the move by this one by continuations. So it means so that's not one of this computer engine by rook e3 by Shovalova. So the best move this one is pawn to b5. Need more controls by pushes here. So these are the good by evaluation bar. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there, this one is rook a3 by Shovalova, and also knight fg6. So what a miss by Zhu here by Brand X. So the branded is pawn to b5 here. So the pawn b5. So these are the ones of this computer engine here. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So according by this one by computer engine here. Okay. So back there, this one is knight fg6 by Zhushner here, and also knight h5 without good precise here by Shovalova, and also rook ed8 without rook pairs here, and also rook g1 without next plans by Shovalova, or next by pawn g3. So without counters attacks the pawns, and semi-close by g5. So very strong move by white pieces. And also bishop e6 here, and also pawn g4, good move. So without idea with Shovalova, without threats the pawns, or without semi-close by g5 here. And also captured, and also rook captured here, or maybe without idea, so without continuations here, or without idea, without battery, or next by counters with threats the bishop here without continuations. And also bishop c3, good move by Shovalova, or maybe without idea, without threats the rooks here, without threats here. And also rook dd8 backwards, so it means without backwards. Oh, so it means without rook dd8, so it means these are the below evaluation bar from this computer engine by Zhu. So it means so does not accept by computer. So the one's computer is rook to c4. So once of this computer here, so these are the good slightly betters from blacks here, or goods for blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is rook dd8 without backwards by Zhushner here, and also captured, knight takes, and also rook f3. Why? Because so if your knight takes f5 without idea, without threats the rooks here, because these are the opening by queen to queen. Without queen to queen here, so it means these are the continuations by without slightly queen to queen. And also rook f3 without ignorance by Shovalova, and also knight gh4 without good precise by Zhushner, or maybe without idea, without knights attacks the rooks here. And also queen takes h4. What happened by Shovalova? So it is not about brilliant sacrifice, but also blunderations by white. So it means so the best move here is knight captured sacrifice. Brilliant. Not queen takes knight h4. So it means so knight takes g7 is a brilliant sacrifice by knights here. So what happened? So if you move by knight takes f3 with a check, so with a check and traps the rooks. So how do you control that? And also queen takes f3 without captured by knights here, and also knight captured. Okay, knight captured g7 without opening by queen to queen. If your queen takes accepted, and also bishop captured queen. So once of this computer engine here, so these are the good slightly betters from blacks here. So these are the good slightly betters from whites and blacks here from this advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen takes h4 blunders by Shovalova and knight captured, so no more rooks. So it means because if you knight captured queen, so it means these are next by rook captured queen. So these are the same by this queen to queen here. And also rook captured without queens here, and also bishop captured rook. So it means one rook done by Shovalova. So the first guessing puzzle, so what do you think about the best shot by Shovalova by once of this computer? Brilliant sacrifice captured. So first guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook captured g7, sacrifice, brilliant captured. The rook! So it means shouting by Gotham Chess. So it means so rook captured is a sacrifice here by brilliant captured by rook. So because, so it means evaluation bar is good without white pieces here. And also by Zhu here by bishop captured knight. So these are the upcoming by battery. So battery here. So bishop captured h5 here. So it means so upcoming by king without threats the rook. So coming by captured here. And also without excellent by e6 by Shovalova here without move side here. And also rook d2 check. What happened? Without check. So it means blunder ratios by black by Zhuzhner. So it means so that's not one of this computer. So the best move is knight to f3 check, not rook d2 check. So it means without correct move by knight f3 check. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. Okay, so I'm sorry I got upcoming by low bat and my laptop here. So that's fast as you can here. So back there, this one is rook d2 check here by Zhuzhner and also king g1. What a miss by this one by Shovalova here. So it means so the best is rook g2. Sacrifice here. So sacrifice here. So if you move by this one, so rook g2 without opening by this one, without bishop, without check here. Okay, without check here. So if you move by this one, rook d4 without upcoming this one by mating net, and bishop takes d4. Mating net, so it means so lose from black. So easy wins for white by Shovalova. So easy win here. So these are the best solutions here. So it means so once at this computer, so slightly betters from whites and blacks. So easy wins for black by Shovalova. Easy wins here. So back there, this one is king g1 by Shovalova, and excellent by good move by Zhu is knight f3 check without good move by Zhu here, and also king f1, and second good move is knight h2 check, king g1, third good move is knight f3 check. So it means wait for the moment, do not draw, three repetition draw. So it means so avoid this one. So it means roast to roast by chess here in this Tech Mahindra. So knight f3 check, king f1, rook d1, good move, rook d1 check here, and also king f2, and another good move is knight d4 without good move here. So it means without knights, without idea, without threats, the pawns here. Without counters here. And also, without rook d7, so it means do not capture by knight captured pawn. Because the rook captured, so it means loss. Very lossful by worse here. So it means avoid by knight captured pawn. So let's continue. Rook d7 here by Shovalova. And also rook f8 check. And also king e3. And also rook f3 check. So it means good precise by Zhuzhner. So without check. And traps the bishop here. And also king e4 by Shovalova. Rook captured bishop. So no more pieces here. So it means 2 minor pieces by Shovalova versus by 4 minor pieces by Zhuzhner here. So it means, okay, so let's continue by rook takes c3 and also rook d8 check, king g7, e7. So it means wait for the moment, wait for the moment without bishop. So it means do not promote by queen. So because bishop is a target. So e7 here and also rook e1 check and also king captured. King captured without touch the rooks. Rook cc1 without idea with rook d1. Okay, rook d1 check. Check and traps the rooks here. So very trapful here. And also bishop d3 without covering here and last shot, rook takes e7, so it means resigns by international master Shovalova in Russia. So it means so wins 4 here. So the score 81 points by Shovalova and 80.8. So winner by Zhuzhner. So it means so the score by Ganges by Grandmaster by Yellow Team in 5 points. And the score by Treveni Continental Kings by this one 14 points. So it means winner Triveni Continental King. Congratulations. So I will next up this one by quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals. So I need more fast as you can here. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching here. I'm Mark Loage 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. So later December 24, 2025. And 9 p.m. by online chess by Game 3 in this by live streaming in this YouTube by thischess.com. So advance Merry Christmas and bye bye.